Buongiorno everyone, my name is Lex, and today I wanted to show you how I went about creating this foresty cottage themed gift wrapping. Let's get started. For the gift wrap, I'm using this gold and olive green fern print cream colored Locta paper, and I really love the way it looks. It just has this very nice airy quality while also feeling very natural and earthy. Here, I'll be using this 1.5-inch jute ribbon as a base, and I'll be layering an olive green 5/8 inch ribbon on top of it. Here I put a staple in to hold the green ribbon in place, but in hindsight, it wasn't really necessary. For the bow, you'll need to cut out 3 strips of the following measurements: 6 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches. And now with the strips you've cut out, you're going to form them into figure 8s and staple them. To attach the 3 tiers together, I'm using these 3D glue dots. I find them easier to work with than a hot glue gun, and they don't leave behind any of those nasty little strings. To cut out a 3-inch strip, and you'll use that for the center loop. To attach the name tag, I'm using this gold embroidery thread that I matched to the gold print on the wrapping paper, and I'm gonna thread it through the name tag. And here is where I'm gonna tell you not to do as I'm doing in the video. It didn't work out for me. I thought that it seemed too long at first, so I cut it shorter, and then I couldn't get it to fit around the bow, so I ended up taking the bow off, which just changed the shape of the bow into a form that I didn't like. So what I would recommend instead is leave it untied and wrap it around the bow, and then adjust it to your length, and then tie it off after you've put it around the bow. Lastly, I'm going to use this faux fern, and I'm going to take a couple sprigs off of it, and using a glue dot, tuck them behind the bow. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I hope you'll stick around to see what I come out with next.